All right, folks, this is the infrasternal angle test. And I have my shirt off for a good reason. I'm going to show you the infrasternal angle. All right. So our infrasternal angle is the kind of the angle at which our rib cage curve. All right. If we have a wider infrasternal angle, that means that our ribs are kind of up and out like this, and maybe our back is more arched. Whereas if they're down and in, maybe we're more in posterior tilt. Understanding this information gives me a better idea of how to create your core training. So we're going to look at how we measure this. All right, so the best way to look at infrasternal angle, if I suck my gut in, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. This is kind of the point that we want to put our finger on. This is like our reference point. So this is kind of our x-axis maybe. So now we're going to keep our fingers here, and we're going to trace down our ribs to the point where we feel kind of the edges of our ribs. So for me, I have a wider left side than my right side. So I would consider this an asymmetrical angle. So if I put my fingers here, and I kind of look for that, I can feel the difference, right? So what we're looking for is, if we have a narrow angle, your ribs come together very narrowly, like less than, let's say, 90 degrees. Or if it's very wide, they're going to be like out here. Okay, typically you'll have like more of a barrel chest. And if it's asymmetric like me, you'll find that one side is maybe higher than the other, or it feels different than the other side. Whatever it may be, and again, this is subjective, but I need this information, just write it down or just mark it in our assessment form, and that'll give me a good idea of how to create your posture and your core training. Good job.